Hi, let me show you how to enable and disable auto-rotate screen on Google Pixel 9a. For that, swipe down from the top right corner to trigger Quick Settings. Then swipe down again to see more features. From here, I want you to start swiping left or right to find this feature Auto Rotate. And here it is. In my case, it is on the second page. As you can see now, it is turned off. So if I open any app, let's say Google Chrome, and try to rotate the screen like this, nothing will happen, as you can see. To enable auto rotate, we need to go back in Quick Settings, swipe left and tap on the feature once to use auto rotate. Additionally, you can enable face detection to improve auto rotate accuracy. So once it is turned on, you can just rotate the phone and the screen will rotate as well. So if you want to rotate your home screen as well, then you need to press and hold it, choose Home Settings, and find feature Allow Home Screen Rotation. Put the dot to the right side, so toggle on the switch. And now you can use your phone in this landscape view. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.